Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to delete a school on Teachable. To delete your school on Teachable account, first of all, go ahead and open up a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in teachable.com and search. After you're in the main homepage of Teachable, make sure you sign into your account as well. Once you're logged into your Teachable account, go ahead and select the school that you want to delete from your homepage. After you open up your school, go ahead and click on the settings button from the left hand side menu, and soon after you do that, you will be able to open up the global settings where you'll need to scroll all the way down and click on delete school. Deleting your school will permanently remove your school and all of its content. Go ahead and type in your school's URL at the bottom. You can copy the URL from the top in the URL box, select from your name up to .com and then simply copy that and paste it inside the school URL and click on delete. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete the selected school from your Teachable account. So that's how you easily delete a school from Teachable in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.